Welcome friends. Question number 1. What is the current carrying capacity of 32 ampere rated cable if it is protected by the rewirable fuse? Answer C. 26 ampere. 2. What is the possible range to measure the size of the wire in a standard wire gauge? Answer D. 0 to 36. Third, what is the name of the wire joint? Answer B. Knotted tap joint. 4. Which type of soldering flux is used for soldering galvanized iron? Answer D. Hydrochloric acid. 5th one. Which method of soldering is used for quantity production and for tinning work? Answer A. Dip soldering. 6. What is the name of the part marked as X in the underground cable? Answer A. Bedding. 7. What is the full form of XLPE cable? Answer C. Cross-linked polyethylene. 8. What is the purpose of serving layer in underground cable? Answer D. Protect the armoring from atmospheric condition. 9. Which type of fault of underground cable can be located by this loop test? Answer B. Short circuit fault. 10. Which cable laying method is used in generating station? Answer B. Racks in air. 11. How many electrons are there in the valence shell of a copper atom? Answer A. 1. 12. What is the effect of electric current on neon lamp? Answer D. Gas ionization effect. 13. What is the unit of insulation resistance? Answer D. Mega. 14. Which electrical device is the coarse excess current protection? Answer B. Rewirable fuses. 16. Which type of soldering flux is used for soldering aluminum conductors? Answer B. Care-al-Lite. 17. What is the effect on molten solder due to repeated melting? Answer A. Tin content reduced. 18. What will happen to PVC insulation in cable carries excess current continuously for long period? Answer D. Insulation resistance decreases. 19. Which method of cable laying is suitable for congested areas? Answer B. Duct pipes. 20. What is the name of the part marked X in UZ cable? Answer lead sheath. 21. What is the fault of underground cable identified in the circuit? Answer B. Short circuit fault. 22. Which part of the underground cable is protecting the metallic sheath against corrosion? Answer B. Bedding. 23. Why the soldering iron must be kept into a stand that not in use while soldering? Answer A. It prevents burns and fire. 24. Which type of wire joint is found in the junction box? Answer C. Rat tail joint. 25. What is the name of the joint? Answer A. Married joint. 26. What is the use of Britannia T-joint? Answer D. Tapping the service connection from overhead. 27. Which type of soldering method is used for servicing and repairing work? Answer soldering with soldering gun. 28. What is the use of dip soldering method? Answer C. Soldering miniature components on PCB. 29. Name the part marked X of belted UZ cable. Answer C. Lead sheath. 30. Which insulating material is used as hot pouring compound for making joints in underground cable? Answer C. Bituminous compound. 31. What is the purpose of bedding insulation of underground cable? Answer D. To protect the metallic sheath against corrosion. 32. Which test is conducted to locate the faults in underground cables? Answer A. Loop test. 33. What does the number 1.40 represent if a stranded conductor is designated as 7 bar 1.40. Answer D. Diameter of each conductor. 34. What is the value of electrical conductivity of aluminum conductor? Answer C. 35 mho per meter. 35. What is the rating factor of cable provided with coarse excess current protection? Answer C. 0.81. 36. What is the size of neutral conductor compared to phase conductor in underground cable? Answer B. Half size of phase conductor. 37. What is the name of the tool? Answer C. Crimping tool. 39. What is the reading of the micrometer? Answer C. 4.55. 40. Which method of soldering is used for repairing the vehicle body? Answer B. Soldering with flame. 41. What is the advantage of stranded conductor over solid conductor? Answer B. More flexible. 42. What is the current carrying capacity of the 16 amp cable if it is protected by coarse excess current protection? Answer B. 13 ampere. 43. What is the unit of quantity of electricity? Answer B. Coulomb. 44. What is the name of the soldering method? Answer C. Soldering gun. 45. What formula is used to find electromotive force? Answer B. Electromotive force EMF equal to potential difference plus voltage drop. 46. What is the current rating factor for close excess current protection of cable? Answer C. 1.23. 47. What is the disadvantage of solid conductor compared to stranded conductor? Answer B. Less flexibility. 48. What is the name of the soldering method? Answer D. Temperature controlled soldering. 49. What is the cause for cold solder defect in soldering? Answer B. Insufficient heating. 50. What happens to the voltmeter if it is connected as an ammeter? Answer A. Low reading. 51. Which is the example for coarse excess current protection? Answer D. Rewirable type fuse unit. 52. Which conductors are used for distribution lines? Answer C. Bare conductors. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.